welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. Today I am going to make a pumpkin wreath out of this pumpkin frame that I got from Dollar Tree. I got this from Dollar Tree. Got this shirt. It's a kids youth t-shirt in orange. Got it from Hobby Lobby. And I saw this on Dave's Wreaths and Things channel. So I'm just going to, y'all know how I roll, so I'm just going to wing it. Just to cut up the side here, this t-shirt. This is how it looks. I had to use some sewing clips because the shirt was too small. So I went ahead and stretched it out. So let's fit it to the pumpkin. And here's the pumpkin form. Okay, and the next part that I'm gonna do, get some foil paper. To wrap around the stem. I had to do a Dollar Tree run, so in case I didn't mention it, I am making a pumpkin wreath. So far what I've done is I took a t-shirt, an orange youth t-shirt. It would be better to get like a teenager or an adult t-shirt because I had to do some extra pulling on this. And also I got some foil paper for the top there. I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some floral because I didn't have any floral. And I also picked up some little picks, pumpkin decor, some more picks, some maple leaves, this rope. This is 9.5 feet, the decorative nautical rope. I got 2 of those. And when I first saw this the other day, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do this, but I was like, what can I do with it? So I left it. But then when I saw Dave's Wreaths and Things video where he did a pumpkin, this pumpkin that I'm doing now, I saw from Dave's Wreaths and Things, he was using this sign here. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. He was using the scarecrow head. So I have all my stuff together. Got my hot glue gun. Got my crappy scissors. They're cute. They're with my theme, but these are not fabric scissors. And I'm supposed to go ahead and wrap up the stem. Let me get to it. Hey everybody, so I am back. I prepped everything, which I should have did before I started doing the video, but after my Dollar Tree run, I said I was just going to pick up, one or two things, end up grabbing a whole bunch of stuff. So this right here, I went ahead and took the body part off in the welcome sign. I already used the rope to wrap that. I used my trusty bow maker, made a bow to go right in the center here, and I pulled all of the flowers off the stems, and I have the picks and everything. And here's my maple leaves. So everything is ready now. It's time to decorate. The first thing I'm going to put on is my bow. Ready, so I'm gonna fluff that at the end, and then I'm going to place a little scarecrow head. I'm thinking put him about right here. So I'm thinking I'm going to put him right there. So get some hot glue and get him down there. Next thing I'm going to do is add my floral. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is get some different color maple leaves. Now, hey everybody, here's the finished product of my wreath. This took a while, a lot of prepping. So here it is. I hope y'all like it. I know I was all over the place, but here's just an idea. I saw this on Dave's Wreaths and Things. My design isn't exactly like his, but I like it. Y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug. I'll talk to you later. Bye.